Queries. Let's take a look at the Queries module. To get started, click on Manage Account and select Queries. Next, you can search for specific queries using various filters such as items per page, go to page, subject, company, property, city, start date, and end date. Once you've entered your search criteria, click this Find button. To make things even easier, CRM automatically categorizes your queries by status. Green indicates answered queries. Orange indicates unanswered queries, and red indicates unread queries. To view a query report, simply click on the View Query icon. You can also add a template for quick replies via the tick mark icon on the header or click on the plus icon to add a new query. Thanks for using IT-Land CRM. We hope this guide has been helpful to you.
If you have any questions or queries, please feel free to talk to us or request a call back via itlands.com.